Meaning of gene therapy.
Gene therapy.
Gene therapy.
Gene therapy.
Gene therapy. Gene therapy is a medical approach that involves manipulating a person's DNA to treat or prevent diseases. The therapy works by either correcting a faulty gene or introducing a healthy copy of the gene into a patient's cells. Gene therapy has shown promising results in treating genetic disorders such as severe combined immunodeficiency, hemophilia, and sickle cell anemia. However, there are still challenges to overcome, including the safety and efficacy of the therapy, as well as ethical considerations surrounding the manipulation of human genes.